Brad Williams, XL Prime. 4.17, table filters and slicers. Slicers are a simplified filtering method that just makes the filtering process much easier. We will discuss quickly what slicers are and how to include slicers. Just a little bit of preliminary information. The slicer dialog box to your right here is just it's just a picture, and we'll get to that in a second. I just want you to familiarize yourself as to what it looks like. Then once we select the slicers, this is what the options will look like. If you want to modify slicers, you'll go to, there'll be a section above Fred here that'll say slicers. And then this is a toggle that you can activate, and it will show up here on the far right of your worksheet to modify the slicers. Once we insert slicers, that adjustment area will be up in the ribbon here. As I show here in this display, it'll say slicers, and then you can modify the slicers. And this is what the end will look like. And to your right here are your simple slicers. So if you want to sort 1-1, you can sort and find that information and so on and so forth. So let's get to it, and we'll dive right into creating slicers. We'll go over to sheet 3. We have a simple table here. And like inserting a table, it's the same format. We're going to go up to the ribbon. We're going to go to insert. And we're going to have to the right, we're going to have insert slicers. What you're going to see here, because we're in the table design, is a lot of information. Moving left to right, you're going to see, you have to look carefully, but you have to go over to filters, and then you're going to hit slicers. So we'll just hit slicers, depending on what you want as a slicer. In other words, this is a filter. Clicked all 4 just for fun. Hit OK. And there you go. You have 4 different slicers. If you want to slice this month by 14, 16, you can see what we just did. If you want to narrow that down just to order, just hit order. You can sort by order. If you sort by 101, 102, and you can design this any way you'd like. To delete the slicers, just highlight the box and hit delete. Now we'll go into customization in a little more detail as to why filters may or may not work for you. To reverse that delete, just hit Control Z. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for your time.